Acura has unveiled a new concept car that previews the future design direction of the premium automaker. Butterfly doors, plenty of carbon fiber, smooth lines, and hidden signature lighting elements define the aptly named Acura Nexera. Penned by creative director Yasutaka Tsuchida and his team, the Nexera concept certainly looks the part of a future design trailblazer. Its hidden lighting elements uniquely incorporate Acura's signature A-mark, while the smooth, flowing profile is balanced by muscular wool arches that give the concept plenty of presence. Interestingly, the concept also marks Acura's first use of center-lock wheels. Hiding behind them is a set of carbon ceramic brakes, giving the Nexera some serious performance hardware to match its aggressive looks. In terms of performance, though, there are no real specifics to note. Out back, an active rear spoiler rises from the bodywork to provide additional high-speed stability. That bit of rear aero works with the generous amount of forged carbon fiber used throughout the fascia, rear diffuser, and side sills. Open the butterfly doors, and you'll find a cabin that makes extensive use of recycled materials. Aluminum, Alcantara, and leather are all sourced from post-consumer materials, giving the futuristic interior a more sustainable edge. But the real appeal of the Nexera is how much of its design will eventually make its way onto production cars. No, the Nexera doesn't preview a future iteration of the NSX, sadly. But some of its lines and styling elements already have a home on upcoming production models, including the next-generation RDX. The next RDX hybrid will be the first model to receive Nexera-inspired design elements. Acura says the compact crossover will arrive in the coming years, with the concept signature lighting elements playing a major role in its design. As creative director Yasutaka Tsuchida puts it, "Our goal with this new design direction is to define Acura performance through disciplined proportions, sculpted form, and the seamless integration of advanced technology." The Acura Nexera concept makes its global debut at the Quail during Monterey Car Week.